Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a morning cleaning routine. I'm going to kind of show you guys what I do every morning. I've already gotten myself ready. I'm still kind of wearing my around the house clothes here, so I'm going to go and get myself dressed. I'm going to pick out something to wear. But the weather today is absolutely nasty. It is like the rainiest it's ever been. It's been raining for like 2 weeks straight. So it is wet and it is so windy. I kind of just want to be comfortable today, so I'm gonna go find something in my closet that is warm and comfortable. Later this evening we have to head out to the kids' practice, so I'm definitely gonna be wearing my rain boots and my rain jacket. So I'm gonna go head into my closet, find something to wear, and then I'm gonna get started with my video. So this is the weather outside today. It's just really gross, really windy, and really wet. It has been raining for like 2 weeks. I don't know if my mums are gonna survive because it has been really cold too, just really wet and cold and nasty. So you can hear that wind roaring in the background. Alright guys, so before I get cleaning, I wanted to show you the awesome tea set that Teami sent me. This tumbler is life-changing. You put the tea leaves right in the tumbler with the hot water and you just place a strainer on top to stop the tea leaves from coming out. It is brilliant. I also really love the secret compartment at the bottom where you can store your tea leaves. That's especially awesome for when you're on the go and you're busy and you're just running around and you want to make sure you have some extra tea on hand. They also sent me the 30-day detox package to try, and I've been loving it. As a tea lover, drinking a tea that has health benefits is important to me. And the 30-day detox includes the skinny tea, which gives you energy, which is exactly what I need this morning because I don't drink coffee as often as a lot of other people do. I'm more of a tea drinker, so an energy boosting tea is exactly what I need. The skinny tea is also awesome because it does boost your metabolism and it naturally suppresses your cravings and it reduces bloating. So I drink this every morning and it helps with all of those things. It also includes the colon blend, which reduces bloating as well, and it gets rid of toxins in the body and improves your skin complexion, which is super awesome. Now I drink this every other night before bed, so it's kind of like alternating. You drink the skinny tea every morning and then you drink the colon tea every other night. So as a tea lover and a busy mom, this package is the perfect combination for me. I need all of the energy I can get. So I'm going to be drinking this up before I get started with my cleaning. Now, if you're interested in getting yourself some Teami, please check out their website down below in the description box, and you can use my code at the bottom of the screen here for your order. Alrighty guys, let's get started. I'm going to be showing you guys what my cleaning routine is like this morning. I am just going to be unloading the dishwasher. These are the dishes that I actually loaded last night before bed. So I'm just going to unload that and then I'll be loading the dishes that we used this morning for breakfast. There are basically 5 things that I like to do every morning for my cleaning routine, and that includes unloading and loading the dishwasher, making sure all the dishes are put away, folding the laundry and getting another load going, tidying up my bathroom counter and vanity, basically the area that we get ready in the mornings, straightening the living room, as well as making my bed. So this next song that is playing here, I picked because it is called Stormy Weather, and if you look at outside, it is still storming, like not thunder and lightning storming, just a lot of rain and a lot of wind, and it has been like that for like every day since I don't know how long I can remember. It's been like a week at least in minimum. here I'm just going to be making sure that the sink is all cleaned out. I've got a couple of thermoses here to clean out, so I'm just going to wash those and set those aside to dry.
I've seen your face only once this weekend. You keeping busy, always things to do. Our situation still undecided.
The other thing I really like to do in the mornings is I like to make sure that the kitchen counters are all wiped and clutter free. So here I'm just going to be using my Caldrea Sea Salt Neroli spray and cleaning the counters. Alright, step 1 is done. The kitchen is tidied up, and now I can move on to the next space I need to clean. In the living room, I am just going to be putting away the chargers, fluffing the cushions, and folding the blankets, and just making sure that there's no clutter left behind in the living room.
We can stay up late like if nothing matters. You can hold my hand when no one's around. And I bet that we both are waiting for something, but we can wait until the feeling's gone. If you show me this, I'll give you that. Everything we ever wanted, and this for what it's worth, give it a try. But if we stay like this, then you know what? Then I don't wanna seize the moment. So let's, for what it's worth, give it a try.
Up next is my bedroom. The third thing I like to make sure I get done is to make sure I make my bed every morning and just kind of pick up any laundry that's been left behind. So here I'm just going to be fluffing up my pillows and straightening out my bed.
If you show me this, and this for what it's worth, give it a try. But if we stay like this, then you know what? Then I don't wanna seize the moment. So let's.
Up next, I'm just putting away some laundry here, and I also got a load going downstairs. The last thing that I'm going to be doing in my morning cleaning routine is just making sure the bathroom is nice and tidy, especially where we were getting ready for the day. So I'll just spray it down with my Method Spearmint bathroom cleaner, and I'll just wipe the counters and I'll wipe out the sink.
Watch as the moonlight creeps into the room. You're in the headlights. I wanna feel the way you do. Remember the summer? We chased the morning light. We ran for hours. You were always on my mind. We tried to make it out alive, but we let it slip away. If we only had a second shot, we'd find another way. If we could do it all over, you would get the best of me. It could be forever. I would never let you leave. It's not too late to.
In addition to my bathroom counters, I'm just going to do my vanity really quickly here because this is where I sit every morning and do my makeup. So the glass sometimes gets a little bit dirty, so I'm just going to wipe the glass and just straighten up the makeup that is on the vanity. Alrighty, so that is it for my morning cleaning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I do every morning. Don't forget, if you guys are interested in Teami, the link is down below in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any of my future videos. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye!